If you have small hooded almond eyes like mine and your eyeliner disappears when you open your eyes, this technique might actually change everything for you. Let me show you how to do proper eyeliner for almond hooded eyes. Alright, so let's get started with this. I'm gonna be using this brown eyeliner, and this is the Wet n Wild breakup proof waterproof eyeliner. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, you want to look straight, and I have my mirror right here. I'm gonna look straight and I'm gonna relax my eyes, and this is how we're gonna first do our mapping of our eyeliner, okay? And instead of going up like this, we're gonna go more of a straight angle, because that's horrible for our eye shape. This perfect for eye shape. Okay, so I'm gonna start from right here. I'm gonna start slowly going out. See that? It's like, and don't worry if you mess up a little bit, because we can always fix it with concealer. This fold that we have right here, that's where you want to connect your liner. So I'm gonna put a little that so you can see it. So you're gonna connect it to this little fold, and that's it. Stop right there. Now we tilt our head and look down to the mirror, and we're gonna connect this to our lash line. Just go straight down and fill it in. Sometimes down here you can see where we miss a spot. You just fill it in. So this placement is going to change everything for you, because now it flows with the eye and it's not folding. So if you're looking straight ahead, you're going to go right here, right before you reach your iris, right? This is where you want to stop the eyeliner. You're going to go really close to your lash line. And sometimes I like to take my eyeliner and just kind of like move my lashes out of the way, because my lashes do curled. So if you have straight lashes, it's probably be easier for you. My lashes do curl, so I kind of like push them down with my eyeliner, and I just kind of like dab my eyeliner right here, so it can be as close as possible to that lash line. And now we just gotta just smooth it out just a little bit and connect that triangle to the lash line like this. And I try to keep it as close to the lash line as possible. So the more you do this, you're eventually going to find the best way to do it on your own eyes. But this is like a baseline, like a guideline for you to start learning. Now that we have that, we're gonna go to our wing, and you see how it's like not sharp. So I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna make it a little bit pointier. So from right here, you can do two things. You can either connect it to your bottom lash line, or you can clean it up with concealer and call it a day. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tilt my head. I have my mirror right here, and I'm gonna put it right under like this. Tilt my head, look up. You're gonna clean right here. You're just taking the brush and dragging that down. You want to make sure it's blended. And now it's like super like sharp. I'm just gonna take a brush and just blend that out. Okay. Or you can go the other route and you can connect it to your bottom lashes. I like to like stop around right here and put it that. So if you're looking straight ahead, this is where I will stop. Take it really close to the lash line. Stop right there, and then connect this part to the lash line, like this part of the wing to my lash line. There you go. So now you have it connected to your bottom lash line, which I think it looks super cute. If this is all you want to do, you're done. But if you like a little bit of inner corner liner like me, let's go to the next part. So let me show you with this ruler. You want to imagine that there's a line on in the middle of your eyes, and see how my inner corners go slightly down. That's what I'm gonna follow. And if yours go like straight, you just follow that line. I'm gonna follow this my bottom lash line. You can make your inner corner as long as you want, okay? Follow that line. And then you're gonna connect it to the top lash. And I connect it right here. And I do this while my eyes are open. And this is as far as I will go. I don't go any further than that because then your eyes are just gonna start looking really small. Now this is how your eyeliner should be looking. See, this is with no eyeliner. Yours are normal hooded eyes. And then this is with the eyeliner. And look how nice it looks. Even though we have small almond hooded eyes, we still make the eyeliner work for us, okay? So I just went ahead and I did this side so you can see. This eyeliner look makes her hood look droopier. See how it just like folds down more? While this one makes her eyes look nice and lifted, and it just complements them more. I just hope that you guys could see how that placement just created a huge difference for us compared to this. It just looks very different. I hope this video was able to help some of you. And if you have small almond hooded eyes like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because every Friday at 5 p.m. I'm going to be posting techniques and videos and tips on how to do makeup on your small hooded eyes. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, or whenever you are watching this. I love you. Mwah. Bye.